It's psycho time.
Oh, guess what? I did great on the test.
Congratulations.
Yeah, if I had to guess, I think I might be in the 90th percentile.
At how many? I think I forgot a way to get your ring back. I taped up all the vents in the house, right? Except the one in the kitchen. I installed a Binford 6100 super compressor on the furnace. I'm going to blow that thing right out of here. So if you stand back here for protection, count down to ring out. 3, 2, 1.
Is it my ring?
I think so.
I don't believe it. Is it okay?
Let's take a look at it. Perfect. It's even cleaner now. Your inscription's all worn off. I will never love an otter.
Another.
I will never love another. Huh. You think all these years I've been avoiding otters?